Hello guys, welcome back to the Universe of Tech Hub. In this tutorial, we will learn about 7 JavaScript concepts to master before React. The arrow function consists syntax for writing a functions and handling. First, we need to take map and filter function. First, we need to learn map. What is map? Map and filter are array methods that allow you to transform and filter the elements in an array. The map is creates a new array by applying a functions to each elements, which filter creates a new array with elements that passes a certain condition. This is the use of the map and filter. The map creates a new array by applying a map function, and coming into the filters, it creates a new array with elements using elements that passes the certain conditions. The what is the importance of map is they promote a functional programming, making a code cleaner and more readable by avoiding a loops and temporary variables like that. The map method is to create a new array by applying a function to each element of the original array. Like the const numbers is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 30. This is the array. The const multiplied numbers dot map, it creates a new array. Next, this is the filter. The filter method creates a new array containing only elements that satisfy a specified condition. This is the code of the filter method. In this code, we see the filter method, applying a filter method. Next, we move to the arrow function. Arrow function is the shortest syntax for writing a function in JavaScript. They allow for concise function expression and lexically in this value, which means they inherit this from the surrounding context. Like this simplify function syntax and help avoid common pitfalls with this is a traditional function. The arrow function is the type of function expression that provides a more concise syntax for writing a function. It is like a something is related to anonymous functions. The constant add, we applying a arrow function to this a plus b at 2 comma 3. The output of this is 5. This is all about arrow function. Next, we move on to the destructing. It is a syntax that allows a unpacking values from array or properties from objects into distinct variables. It makes it easier to extract multiple properties from an object or elements from an array. It enhances the code readability and reduces the amount of code needed to access the value. This is the destructing is a convenient way to extract the values from array or properties from objects in JavaScript. I'm taking a list of array like fruits, apple, banana, and cherry. The constant first fruit, second fruit, fruits. Console.log first fruit is prints the apple, the second fruit prints the banana. This is all about destructing. It's convenient way to extract the values from arrays. Next we move on to the rest and spread operators. This syntax is used to collect multiple elements into an array. Rest or expand an array into individual element. Spread. Coming into the rest operator, it will collect the multiple elements into a array. Coming into the spread operator, it expands an array into a individual elements. It collects multiple values into a single array. It is used in function parameters and array destructing. This is all about rest operator. Taking one example, fruits, apple, banana, cherry, and date. The first, second, and rest. Fruits, console.log first, console.log second, it prints the apple and banana. In the means rest, it prints the cherry and date. Coming in the spread operate, it expands or spreads the elements of an iteratable into a individual elements. It is used to create a copies of arrays or objects and to merge them, like constant new numbers console.log new numbers. Next, we move on to the template literals. It is a way to create a strings using a brackets that can include embedded expressions. In template literals in JavaScripts are enclosed by brackets and allow for multi-line strings and string interpolation using the expression symbol syntax, making it easy to embed the variables and expressions within the strings like constant name alias, constant greeting hello, or dollar name. It prints the name alias, console.log greeting. It prints the name and greeting hello. This is all about template literals. Next, we move on to the promise and async await. Promises us provide a way to handle the asynchronous operations. Asynchronous operations allowing you to chain and then and catch method for success and error handling. Like the promises are objects that represent the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. Async await is a syntactic sugar for working with promises. They help manage the asynchronous code, making it easier to read and write. They prevent the callback and make asynchronous code look more like synchronous code, improving the maintainability. Like here in this example, constant my promise, new promise, it resolve, reject using a arrow function, constant success, true. If success, it resolve the operation succeed, it prints the operation succeed, otherwise it reject the operation failed. This is all about promises. Coming into the async, a function declared within the async keyword. It always return a promise. The await keyword is used inside an async function to pause the execution until a promise is resolved or rejected. This allows you to work with the result of the promises directly. This is all about async function, async and await. You need to more learn these concepts. You have to work with some simple examples, taking some task and applying async and await function to get more details about these concepts. Next, we move on to the JavaScript classes and these keywords. Coming into the classes and this keyword, the classes are a syntactical sugar over the JavaScript existing prototype based inheritance. This keyword is refers to the context in function is called. The function is called. The classes provide a clearer structure for creating objects and handling inheritance. This keyword help access the object properties and methods. This keyword plays an important role in this. This keyword helps access the object and properties and methods. They enable the object-oriented programming in JavaScript, making it easier to create and manage the complex application. This is all about importance and what it is, use of the JavaScript classes and this keyword. Here is all about seven. Here is all about seven JavaScript concepts to master before React. Map and filter, arrow function, destructing, rest and spread operators, template and literals, and promises and async await, JavaScript classes, and this keyword. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.